Introducing the new RRIF Withdrawal panel on WebBroker. This new self-serve capability will allow you to conveniently view the current terms of your RRIF payment schedule. The new RRIF Withdrawal panel can be found within the Accounts tab drop-down menu. On the top of the page, you'll see your scheduled withdrawal details, which indicates your upcoming RRIF payment information, such as the next withdrawal date, elected amount, frequency of payments, and the destination of your payment to either your bank or trading account. For your RRIF account, you will also see the percentage allocation of your payment in Canadian and US dollars. The year-to-date amount section at the bottom of the page will show you the amounts withdrawn and the withholding tax paid for the year, broken down in Canadian and US dollars. On the right, you will also see your annual mandatory withdrawal amount, which is determined by the CRA. This amount is calculated using you or your spouse's age and the total market value of your portfolio as of December 31st the previous year. The annual mandatory withdrawal amount, shown here, is the amount that must be taken out of your account in the current year. The remaining amount and the yearly maximum amount, if you have a locked-in RRIF, will also be displayed to help you stay on track. In addition to scheduled minimum RRIF withdrawals, direct investing clients can now request one-time withdrawals by clicking on the Make Withdrawal button. If you are a financial planning or private investment advice client, you must speak with your financial planner or investment advisor to make an unscheduled RRIF withdrawal. First, select the RRIF account that you would like to withdraw from. The cash available for withdrawal will be displayed beneath the account dropdown. Then, choose the banking or investing account where you would like the funds to go. The next step is to enter the gross amount of the withdrawal before any withholding taxes. If you choose to withdraw from a US dollar component of a RRIF, then this amount will be entered in US dollars. You'll also see the remaining withholding tax-free amount. Lastly, please indicate whether you would like to continue with any scheduled withdrawals or have them canceled for the remainder of the year. A summary of your withdrawal request will then be displayed to allow you to review your selections. If you would like to adjust the withholding tax, click on Show Withholding Tax Options. Here, you may adjust the withholding tax amount or click the link below to learn more. If you agree with the options, click Continue to proceed to the review screen. Please kindly review the details of your RRIF withdrawal request. Also note, as per the Canada Revenue Agency, multiple RRIF withdrawal requests within a 90-day period are grouped together for the purpose of calculating the appropriate withholding tax rate. If this applies to your withdrawal, the withholding tax shown may not be accurate. However, the appropriate level of this tax will be applied automatically. Click Confirm Withdrawal to submit your request. You're all done. Your withdrawal will be completed within 3 business days and will be visible in your account history and the RRIF withdrawal panel once processed. A RRIF account can be an important tool to save for your retirement, and so we hope this gives you a better understanding of how to make a RRIF withdrawal and how to use the RRIF withdrawal panel.